Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of P Pokemon, and today I am going to discuss and predict all the episodes whose title has been released by Pokemon Company. So let's get started. Before I predict anything about the 35th episode of Pokemon Journeys, I will quickly show the preview of the episode. So by seeing at the preview and also the title, we can infer that Ash and Go are going somewhere where lots of Pikachu lives, and Go also wants to catch a Pikachu, as we see at the last of the preview. At subtitle we see I also want to get Pikachu and something like that. So we know Go is going to get a Pikachu or is going to try to catch a Pikachu, and a Pikachu is running around Ash's Pikachu with a Thunderstone, and a Pikachu also evolves, and we know it's not Ash's Pikachu. As the opening of Pokemon Journeys in Japanese, the 1, 2, 3 opening, we saw when they are fighting against Eternatus or that the darkest day, Pikachu is there with Lucario, and Riolu hasn't evolved yet, so Pikachu is going to stay. So I guess Go is going to catch Pikachu, and then immediately after that, in this episode only, as Go's Pikachu will evolve. In 36th episode of Pokemon Journeys, Ash and Go are probably going to the desert because the title of the episode is Statosi and Go crawl up from Sandhell. And there are 6 regions with deserts, in which they are probably not going in Alola region, Kalos region and Unova region, because they are going to the Alola region in next episode, and they have already been in Kalos and Unova region. So they are probably going in other three regions, one of the other 3, which are Johto, Hoenn and Sinnoh. They are for sure not going to go in Hoenn region, as they have already been there during Battle Frontier, and they can go in Johto region where there is Safari area, so they can catch Pokemon there. Probably Go wants to catch Pokemon, or they can go in Sinnoh region where there is also a legendary Pokemon near that desert in mountains, so they can go there. So the 37th episode of Pokemon Journeys is I Am Back Alola, and in this episode Ash and Go are going to the Alola. We can tell this by seeing title, and I don't know what can happen, but I guess there are contests like which has happened in Kalos region in this series, like that it can happen, and Ash can also battle with some of his old friend or someone we have seen before. And I guess Go will now know that Ash is the champion. I don't have much to say about this episode, but I am really excited. It is going to be released on 13th September, and I am really excited to see this. So the 38th episode of Pokemon Journeys, we are going to see a fossil Pokemon, and the image which has been released by Pokemon Company of episode 38, we have seen Omanyte in that picture, and we have seen Aerodactyl in the opening of in the new Pokemon Journeys opening. So Ash or Go, one of them is going to get Aerodactyl for sure, and I guess Go should get Aerodactyl because Ash already has a flying type Pokemon. He doesn't need one, and Go is already also getting a lot of Pokemon recently, so he will for sure get, and his dream is also to catch all the Pokemon. So I guess Go will get fossil Pokemon, and I guess this episode will be based on Kanto region only. So episode number 39 is the last episode whose title has been released by Pokemon Company, and the title is Satoshi vs Saito, which is nothing but Ash versus B. And I don't think that Ash is going to win this match because it is happening so quickly. Only 5 episodes before this, Ash has just lost to her. So I don't think, but he can win if he uses his good Pokemons like Dragonite or Gengar or even Pikachu. He can easily win. But I don't think, I think he will use Farfetch'd and Riolu only. So let's see what will happen. So these are all my predictions on all the episodes whose title has been released by Pokemon Company. Hope you all like this video. If you do, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Till then, good.